Hello friends, I am Mr. Park KSB, Department of Geography, Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Mahavidyalaya Srigonda. Student, last lecture we discussion the population and settlement geography, paper number 5, semester 2nd, first unit, Introduction to Population Geography. This lecture we are discussion the definition and introduction of the population. Today's lecture related to the nature and scope of population geography. Firstly, we study nature of population geography. We how many natures and some related to the population. The regional characteristic of physical which are responsible for formation of cities and rural settlements and their population means the every place or each place regional characteristic related to the physical or natural elements which are responsible for formation of cities and rural settlements in the overall world and country in the surrounding regions. The location of population, those the country and within its region and territories, organization of the population are basically determined by the nature of population geography. The location of population is most important in the region, so organization and basically determine the nature of population. The population density of individual populated region is usually related to their national economic function and the population density of regions. Means the population density is most important characteristic of population. So this population density related to the area in the study region or the some country and the region. The Bangladesh density of population is highest in the uh, world, and some Asian countries is highest density of the population, but some related to the cold places and hot desert and some mountainous regions and their places the low population density are observed in the overall the world. Usually related the nation economic function and the population density of regions reflect the degree of their economic development. So population is most important in the economic development. The following are some natures of population geography. Some population geography related nature giving the following we study there, some dynamic nature, modern nature, scientific nature, descriptive nature, and human welfare nature uh, is the important in the population geography. Uh, First is dynamic nature in the population geography. Number of people in the uh, state, district, tahsil, village, and some local bodies in there. Distribution, population growth, population density, age sex ratio, fertility, mortality, caste composition are analysis of world population pattern, population dynamics in human geography, or population geography is most nature uh, observed in the uh, population geography. This is important nature in population geography. Next, second nature is modern nature. The nowadays population geography nature become the very fastly and modern. Example, nowadays the many diseases occurring in the world. population trend is very different in the country to country or region to region. Migration is overall the world. So modern population geographies nowadays modern nature. Next is 3 number scientific nature. In 21st century, population studies used for the implementation for various planning related to the human development activity for rural and urban areas. So the 21st century rural settlement or urban settlements, most important uh, various planning in the uh, study region or another country or India and some other states. So the study become more scientific related to population geography. Next, nature is descriptive nature. Nowadays, population geography study become very descriptive or more descriptive. The old time, this study is related to details of population. So, population geography nowadays become very descriptive. So, this nature is occurring here. Next is 5 number human welfare nature. The population geography nature become very social and welfare for people in the modern days. In this way, the some nature of population geography given in there. Then the nature of environment influence on settlement occur primarily through product. It can seen that the study of population is multidisciplinary in nature. So the population geography study is multidisciplinary nature involving an understanding of biological or biology, genetic, mathematics, statistics, economic, sociology, cultural, anthropology, psychology, polity, medicine, philosophy, ecology, and regional planning, etc. are the most related to the nature of population geography. Next topic is scope of population geography. Population geography education has got a broad scope with comprehensive subject matter as it is directly related to each and every human activity. When we see the population geography comprehensive subject matter directly related to the human activity. So its subject is related to another topic. So this is most important in scope in the human geography. The scope of population varies according to the social, economic, and political condition of the country. The scope of population geography is related to social, economically, and politically condition of each and every country. So this is the some related to the scope of population geography. First is a quantitative study of human distribution in a particular area and space. Scope of population geography is first is a quantitative study of human geography with a particular area or some regions in the. Second is variation in population density due to environmental or geographical condition. अ, म्हणजे पृथ्वीवरील वेगवेगळे जे ठिकाणं आहेत त्या ठिकाणामध्ये जे काही लोकसंख्येची घनता आहे ही घनता त्या ठिकाणी असणारे भौगोलिक, राजकीय, सांस्कृतिक जे घटक आहेत ते घटक त्या ठिकाणी परिणाम करताना आपल्याला दिसून येतात. नेक्स्ट 4 number is increase of or decrease in population numbers in a place. Means the some region population is very fastly growing, some region population is very lowly growing. So population number in a place is decrease or increase. 5th number is some phenomena like immigration, migration, it is affecting the population. How the affect म्हणजे एखाद्या ठिकाणी लोकसंख्येची वाढ होते, त्या ठिकाणी त्या ठिकाणच्या लोकसंख्येचं स्थलांतर होतं, तर त्या ठिकाणी पॉप्युलेशन कमी जास्त प्रमाणात होते. मग त्यावरती कोणते घटक परिणाम करतात याचा अभ्यास पॉप्युलेशन जॉग्राफीमध्ये केला जातो किंवा त्याची व्याप्ती त्या ठिकाणी आढळून येते. 6 number इज अर्बन प्लॅनिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल मेकिंग अँड इफिशियंट यूज ऑफ द जॉग्राफिकल एरिया. शहरांचं जे नियोजित शहरं आहेत किंवा शहरांचं नियोजन करत असताना त्या ठिकाणी कोणकोणते रिसोर्स अवेलेबल आहेत, मग ते त्या ठिकाणी वॉटर अवेलेबिलिटी, ट्रान्सपोर्ट फॅसिलिटीज, medical facilities, and another thing is observed in there. So geographically which facilities available in there, so त्या ठिकाणी नियोजित शहरांचा विकास आपल्याला करता येतो. 7 number is rural planning, reducing the inequalities of resources. In the some country, all overall the world, 70% of the people living in rural areas. So rural settlement is most important in the study part or population geography, because Mahatma Gandhi said the गो टू द विलेज. महात्मा गांधींनी म्हणलं होतं की खेड्याकडे चला. त्याचं कारणच हे होतं की खेडी ही महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे, त्यामुळे रुरल प्लॅनिंग इज महत्त्वाचं मानलं जातं, म्हणून त्याची व्याप्ती देखील पॉप्युलेशन जॉग्राफीमध्ये महत्त्वाची मानली जाते. 8 number इज पॉप्युलेशन जॉग्राफी इन्क्लूड क्वांटिटेटिव्ह अँड क्वालिटेटिव्ह असेसमेंट ऑफ लेबर रिसोर्सेस अँड सर्च द सेटलमेंट मोस्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, द कल्चरल अँड डोमेस्टिक नीड्स ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन. म्हणजे लोकसंख्येचं संख्यात्मक गुणात्मक मूल्यमापन करत असताना त्या देशामध्ये कोणत्या प्रकारची लोकसंख्या आहे, त्याचं लेबर त्या ठिकाणी कोणत्या पद्धतीने कोणतं मटेरियल त्या ठिकाणी वापरतं, घरांच्या रचनेच्या संदर्भामध्ये असणारी लोकसंख्येमुळे त्या ठिकाणी कोणत्या प्रकारची व्याप्ती आपल्याला आढळून येते, असं त्या ठिकाणी एकंदरीत त्या ठिकाणच्या लोकसंख्येला अनुसरून, त्या ठिकाणच्या प्राकृतिक घटकांना अनुसरून लोकसंख्येची व्याप्ती त्या ठिकाणी आढळून येते. 9 number इज पॉप्युलेशन जॉग्राफी हॅज अ स्पेशल प्लेस इन इकॉनॉमिक जॉग्राफी बिकॉज people as the main productive force are employed in all economic sector and up to point their location has an all encompassing significance. म्हणजे लोकसंख्या भूगोलामध्ये अभ्यास करत असताना मानव हा आर्थिक भूगोलातील अतिशय महत्त्वाचा घटक मानला जातो आणि त्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी लोकसंख्या भूगोलाची व्याप्ती व्यापक स्वरूपात आढळून येते. 10 number is population geography concerned with a quantitative study of the size, structure, characteristic and territorial distribution of human population and change occurring in them. म्हणजे लोकसंख्या भूगोलाचा व्याप्तीचा ज्यावेळेस आपण अभ्यास करतो त्यावेळेस संख्यात्मक अभ्यास लोकसंख्येचा केला जातो, त्यावेळेस साईज, स्ट्रक्चर, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक कशा पद्धतीच्या आहेत याची व्याप्तींचा अभ्यास ह्युमन जॉग्राफीमध्ये केला जातो. 11 number इज इट इज स्टडी द पॉप्युलेशन अँड डील्स विथ द मेजरमेंट अँड ॲनालिसिस ऑफ बर्थ रेट, डेथ रेट, एज सेक्स डिपेंडन्सी रेशो, एज सेक्स पिरॅमिड अँड मायग्रेशन. दिस इज मेजर एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डेमोग्राफी. पॉप्युलेशन चेंज इज अ बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस. लोकसंख्या भूगोलाचा ज्यावेळेस आपण अभ्यास करतो त्यावेळेस आपल्या लक्षात येतं की त्या ठिकाणी जन्मदर, मृत्यूदर असेल, एज सेक्स रेशो असेल, डिपेंडन्सी रेशो असेल, त्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणचं मायग्रेशन असेल, या सगळ्या गोष्टी अतिशय महत्त्वाच्या मानल्या जातात आणि त्यामुळे त्याचा भूगोलाची जी लोकसंख्या भूगोलाची जी व्याप्ती आहे ती व्यापक अर्थाने बनते. 12 number population change in a place take place due to birth, death and migration. It also comprises biological, social and cultural aspect which directly affect the elements of population change. It analyzes the factors like poverty practices which influence population change. म्हणजे लोकसंख्या भूगोलाचा अभ्यास करत असताना आपल्याला बर्थ रेट, जन्मदर, मृत्यूदर, आर्थिक गोष्टींवरून आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी त्या लोकांचं राहणीमान कसं आहे, त्यांचे त्या गरिबी आहे का, ते लोक दारिद्र्य रेषेखाली आहेत का, अशा वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींचा अभ्यास त्या ठिकाणी करता येतो. म्हणून या ठिकाणी लोकसंख्या भूगोलाची व्याप्ती व्यापक अर्थाने असलेली दिसून येते. नेक्स्ट इज 13 number, the rapid population growth directly affects economic, social and environmental aspect of pace. The adverse effects of population growth on people's health are important part of population education. It also deals with the analysis of population growth and consequence in daily life. Next is 14. It include the fundamental aspect of human sexual and reproduction process like sexual behavior, development of human reproductive system and associated problem. This scope of population education helps to the develop a positive attitude towards reproductive health. Next is 15 number. It includes various aspects of population management like appropriate age of age of marriage and first conception, birth spacing, family planning, family welfare and use of contraceptive. These are the some scope of population geography. Population education is important for us to maintain sustainable environment, help to the lift up or quality of life. These are the some scope of population geography. Student, today's lecture we have discussed the nature and scope of population geography. Thank you.